Hello everyone and welcome back to SciHike. So today we have an exciting opportunity to share for all the postgraduate students out there who are passionate about the life science and biotechnology. So if you have ever wanted to get hands-on research experience at one of India's premier institutes, then this video is definitely for you. We are talking about the National Institute of Animal Biotechnology or NIAB Hyderabad and their master's dissertation or training program. So make sure you watch till the end of the video because we will be covering everything from eligibility to application process and everything in detail and why this could be a game changer for your career. So let's start with a little introduction about the NIAB. The National Institute of Animal Biotechnology is a cutting-edge research institute with a strong focus on human resource development and capacity building in India. So their goal is to nurture talented students and provide them with high quality training and exposure to advanced research techniques in life science area. And this is exactly what the master's dissertation program is designed to do, and it's a fantastic opportunity for students who want to bridge the gap between academic learning and practical research experience in areas like biotechnology, animal science, molecular biology and related disciplines. So, coming to the official website of the National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, which is niab.res.in, you can see different options as you have or may already have seen this website before. And here we can see the news and event section. And here in news section, we can see open call for NIAB Master's Dissertation Program. This is the new notification. So we can get the official notification from here. So this is the official notification they have published in the website, and they have given all the details in the notification itself. So coming to the post and who can apply for this particular program. This program is open to postgraduate students who are pursuing a 4-year bachelor's degree, a master's degree, an integrated master's program, MTech, or even MBSc in life science or any other discipline that aligns with the NIAB's research areas. So, if your field of study fits into any of these categories, you are eligible to apply for this dissertation program. So, keep in mind that your admission will require a formal undertaking from your head of institution or head of department or competent authority confirming the duration for which you will be seeking training at NIAB Hyderabad. And this ensures that the institute and your university are on the same page about your research process or procedure. So moving on to the program duration, NIAB accepts students in two categories. The first category is for a duration of minimum of 6 months but less than 1 year, and the second category is for a full 1 year dissertation program. So importantly, NIAB doesn't accept the trainees for periods shorter than 6 months, and this structure ensures that the students get enough time to immerse themselves in research, learn new techniques and actually contribute to meaningful projects. So just imagine that the experience you will gain here and working alongside expert scientists, learning advanced lab techniques and building skills that will definitely strengthen your resume for future research or industry based roles. So next, let's talk about the application procedure. Applying to this program is very straightforward. Interested candidates can directly approach the respective scientist of their choice at NIAB. Along with your CV, you will need to submit an undertaking from your HOD or competent authority specifying the duration of your stay. And one of the best thing about this program is that applications are open out throughout the year. That means you are not restricted to a particular academic cycle. You can apply wherever it suits you and wherever it suits your academic calendar. And a few important points to be noted here are: firstly, there is no fee for participating in dissertation or training program at NIAB, and this makes it even more accessible to students who are eager to gain research experience without worrying about costs. And secondly, NIAB doesn't provide any hostel or accommodation or mess facilities, so candidates need to arrange their own accommodation and food. But don't worry, NIAB does have a daytime canteen, so you can avail of that facility for your meals. And while you need to plan your stay independently, the exposure and the experience you gain are absolutely worth it at NIAB, so you have to consider that also. And also regarding the application procedure, we have already mentioned that you have to directly email the faculty under which you are going to uh, do your training program, or depending upon your choice. So you can directly email them along with the certificate from your HOD. So for that, first you have to get the list of scientists that are available in the NIAB. So in the official website of the NIAB Hyderabad, you will see an option which is known as people. Here you can see different options, namely two options: scientific as well as administration and technical support. So if you're going through the scientific options, you will be redirected to the all the faculty list who are currently working as scientists in the NIAB Hyderabad. So you can check the profile of each scientist available here, and there will be the details regarding their work, their research, their publication, their grants, their contact details, highlights, everything. So if you're going through the contact details, you will get their telephone number as well as email ID. So you can even submit application through that email ID that provided in the website itself. So don't be worried about the contact details and all that. You can just check it in the NIAB Hyderabad website through people and scientific option. Okay, so let's take a moment to talk about the benefits and why this program is such a great opportunity. Firstly, hands-on experience or hands-on training at a premier research institute like NIAB is invaluable, and you get to work with state-of-the-art equipment, understanding cutting-edge research methodologies, and learn directly from experienced scientists. And this kind of exposure not only boosts your technical skills, but also strengthens your analytical thinking and problem solving abilities, skills that are highly sought after in the both academia and industry. Additionally, being a part of such a program can open doors to future research collaborations, PhD opportunities, or even exciting career roles in biotech and life sciences. And in the fact that it is a no fee program which is completely free of cost, and it makes even more attractive. So to sum it up, the NIAB Masters Dissertation Program is a golden opportunity for any student in life science or related disciplines. You get to work in a top tier research institute, gain hands-on experience, and enhance your career prospects, all while being supported by experienced mentors. And the program is flexible in terms of duration. Applications are open year round, and while you will need to manage your accommodation and food, the research exposure you will gain here is absolutely worth it. So if you're thinking about applying, don't wait. Reach out to the scientist of your choice, prepare your CV, get the undertaking from your HOD ready, and send in your application. So this is a chance to not just learn but also contribute to meaningful scientific research. So don't miss out, because opportunities like this don't come every day, just like as I say every time. And alright guys, also that's it for today's video on the NIAB Masters Dissertation Program. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done, and share it with your friends who might be interested and also eligible. And if you are having any queries or any doubts, anything regarding this master's dissertation program at NIAB, you can drop your questions on the comment box, and I'll keep bringing more opportunities like this. So stay tuned. Good luck to everyone applying, and I hope to see you taking your research journey to the next level with NIAB. So thank you for watching.